Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will take you to the Cape Point Ostrich Farm that I visited, and it lies on the most beautiful part of the Cape Peninsula. It's about 50 kilometers from Cape Town, South Africa. That is half an hour drive from here. The drive is one of the most beautiful scenic routes of South Africa, leading to the Cape of Good Hope, via the Simonstown on M65 South. This farm is open 7 days a week from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Next, you will listen to my husband giving a brief tour of the farm.
We are in the ostrich farm in Cape Town. Meher is here. You can see it's a beautiful place. This is the ostrich farm here. She's standing here.
वहाँ देखिए कितने ऑस्ट्रिच हैं.
Look, one is here. Few, I think the sun will come. You can see there are so many over there. Yeah, you go. These are the cottages, the restaurant. The restaurant outside. Well, come fast, huh? Well, come back fast and get the details of, beyond these areas. Man is going down that side. Beautiful cottages are there. So nicely made. Everything is very well arranged.
This is an ostrich egg souvenir I bought, which is made from unfertilized eggshell. The egg actually looks like this, cream in color. Ostrich is a large bird, and so its egg is also large, about 15 centimeter long, and it weighs around 1.5 kgs. The shell too is very hard. An ostrich can lay around 100 eggs per year. One egg is equivalent to 24 chicken eggs. The yolk is removed from here. The egg is rich in protein and have around 2000 calories in it. Ostrich egg is a luxury food and it can be eaten as omelette. One egg can serve 10 people, it is that big. Eggs signify prosperity, life and virgin birth and are considered spiritually significant and are kept in temples. Some are carved, used as perfume containers and souvenirs. The fertilized eggs are kept in incubator for a period of 45 days, maintained at a temperature of 97.5 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 days before the hatching, they are transferred to the hatcher. The chicks once hatched are moved to the enclosed brooder for a few days and then shifted to pen like this. Here they are encouraged to walk and run to strengthen their muscles. Ostrich eats mostly plants, fruits, insects, grains and stones. Yes, ostrich eats small stones which actually help them in their digestion. Ostrich has also earned a reputation of iron eater as they eat iron too.
हम लोग वापस निकले हैं यहाँ से. We are going back now. You can see those 3 ostriches there. It's a beautiful road down that side. Oh, fantastic! देखिए पानी के पास इनकी ग्रास भी बहुत खूबसूरत है यहाँ की. These are the cottages. Wait here.
सारे ऑस्ट्रिच हैं यहाँ पे, यहाँ भी
ऑस्ट्रिच राइड भी है इनके इसमें इंक्लूडेड?
हाँ, वो तो उन्होंने बताया नहीं,
बट उनसे
बाकी
कुछ
चीजें।
ब्रोशर वगैरह मांगे ना था?
सब चीज सब बंद कर दिया था जानू लोग, क्या बोलते हैं। रुकिए हम यहाँ आइए हमारे पास, देखिए हाथ हम बर्फ करते हैं ना हमारे पास आती खाने के लिए। 2 मिनट रुकिए।
वो वहाँ
वो
बड़े
आ रही
बड़े
दौड़ के,
देखो, बड़े
वो
बड़े
सामने से आ रही दौड़ के।
हाँ, वो ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है। उधर देखिए सो मेनी लुक। इधर से तुम हाथ लेके ये करो,
यहाँ पे रुकिए, देखिए बड़ी वाली आई।
ये भाग के आई है,
खोलने के लिए कर रही है।
ये खोलने के लिए कर रही है, बहुत एक्साइटेड है।
क्या हम खिलाते हैं।
बहुत बढ़िया है ये।
अरे ये उल्टा रोशनी पड़ गई, क्या खाएगी लेकिन, काट लेगी तो नहीं। सोनू कितनी बड़ी है, काली है ये।
मैं पीछे कर लेता हूँ गाड़ी से, मुझे रोशनी। इसके पैर देखिए।
अरे बाप रे, कैमरा निकाल, उतरिए ना, कोई नहीं आ रहा, उतरिए, उतरिए ना प्लीज।
उतरेंगे ना, मैं रास्ता तो, गाड़ी आ रही है।
हमारा कैमरा भी है। This farm offers guided tours providing interesting facts about ostriches, like they eat stones which help them with digestion, they can run at 70 kilometers per hour, and their eyeballs weigh more than their brains. If you like my channel and want to see more of my visits, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.